and breaches. Where the digital hits the physical, we take the red pill, we break the seal. Infallible security, making it real. Bottom out to party on the mic tonight. Turning the darkness into light.
Now, January 7th, the FCC finally dropped the hammer. They added specific foreign-made uncrewed aircraft systems, drones, to the covered list. Basically, a ban. They declared them an unacceptable national security risk. Why now? Because for the last decade, we have been buying the Empire's Probe Droids to inspect our own eco-base. We used these foreign drones to inspect our bridges. We use them to survey our power lines. We use them to map our water reservoirs. We use them to film our weddings. We bought them because they were cheap. We bought them because they had 4K cameras and great battery life. We thought we were buying a camera. We were actually installing a hardware Trojan in our own airspace. In Empire Strikes Back, the Probe Droid transmits the location of the shield generator before it self-destructs. These drones have been doing the exact same thing. Technically, here is what happens. The drone collects telemetry data, GPS coordinates, flight paths, video footage. It stores this data. Then, when it connects to the internet for a firmware update or to sync your flight logs to the cloud, it sends a packet to a server in Shenzhen. That packet contains the high-resolution 3D map of the critical substation you just inspected. It contains the structural weak points of the dam you just surveyed. It contains the thermal exhaust ports of the power plant. This is the failure of data sovereignty. You can pass all the laws you want about where data is stored. You can write GDPR policies until your hand cramps. But if the device itself, the physical hardware collecting the data, is hard-coded at the factory to phone home, your laws are meaningless. You cannot patch a spy. The border isn't a line on a map anymore. The border is the firmware on the drone hovering over the Golden Gate Bridge. The border is a SCADA system controlling the heater in a Romanian apartment block. And right now, the shield generator is down.
This is bytes, borders, and breaches. The signal is loud, the lesson it teaches. Infallible security, standing the guard. The truth is heavy, the truth